Many students at GW participate in jobs and internships each week off campus. A logical question following this statement might be wondering if participating in these jobs and internships that require many hours of work per week negatively impacts one's overall GPA. It might also be the case that students who are motivated to get jobs and internships are equally as motivated to do well in school. This is a likely case, but only to a certain extent. Our research question is as follows. Does the number of hours spent each week on a job or internship overall affect a student's GPA?
The independent variable in this experiment are hours worked, and the dependent variable is the GPA. Work is defined as working on or off campus at a paid or unpaid internship that prevents a student from studying or participating in academics. We hypothesize that there will be a correlation between the number of hours worked and the GPA, such that the more hours worked, the lower the GPA. We tested this experiment by interviewing random students at the Marvin Center on December 2nd, 2012. We then analyzed this data on Microsoft Excel.
How are you guys doing?
Oh, hey, what's up?
I'm doing a project for stats, and we're looking to correlate GPA and the number of hours you work off campus. Would you guys mind telling me your GPA and the number of hours you work off campus?
It's been a really rough semester. I don't really feel comfortable sharing that information.
Alright, that's okay.
Thanks.
Sorry, I don't think so.
Okay.
We took stat 1051 last semester.
And it just ruined it.
Killer.
I'm sorry to hear that. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, I'm good.
Hey, we're doing a statistical study on the correlation of GPA and the amount of hours you work off campus in either a job or an internship, and I was wondering if you wouldn't mind answering a couple questions. What is your GPA?
3.6.
3.6. And how many hours do you work off campus a week?
40 hours.
40 hours, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Can I ask you a couple questions?
Sure.
We're doing a statistical study on the correlation of GPA and the number of hours you work off campus at an internship or a job. And
Yep.
would you mind sharing your GPA and the number of hours you work off campus if you have a job?
It's okay. I work, let's see, I have about a 3.1 GPA, and I work 19 hours on campus.
Great, thank you so much.
No problem.
After interviewing 50 people, we have a pretty strong conclusion out of our data. So to present what we found in our data, our mean GPA was 3.27, and mean hours worked was 11.72. For those who did have a job, their GPA was on average 3.15, and those who did not have a job had a GPA average of 3.6. The standard deviation of hours worked was 11.49, and the standard deviation of GPA was 0.554. When we added a regression line to this data, we found that the equation was y equals negative 0.0256x plus 3.5782, and the r value was negative 0.5313, which shows a moderate to strong correlation of the data.
Well, as Greg just said, there's a moderate to strong correlation between the numbers of hours worked per week and GPA, thus proving our hypothesis correct, which stated that the number of hours worked per week has a negative overall impact on a student's GPA.
I hear your heart beat to the beat of